How to transfer your events to Google Calendar on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your events to Google Calendar on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it, go down, click settings, and then go down again until you find transfer a copy of your information and click next. And now just go down, here you will find Google Calendar, click on it and next. Now all you need to do just connect your Google Calendar with Facebook, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.